So in New York, after a truck accident, there are a number of different people and parties that can be sued, can be brought into a lawsuit. The most obvious and common ones are, of course, the truck driver and the owner of the truck and or the truck driver's employer. Those are the first two and the most common. But after that, there are additional parties who can be brought in if it can be demonstrated that they're at fault as well. And that would include, for example, the company that was servicing either the tractor or the trailer or maintaining it, if it can be shown that they failed to do so properly. So if they failed to repair the brakes or service the brakes, or if there were bald tires that the maintenance or service company should have observed and repaired, they can be brought in. Another common, well less common, but another possible party that can be brought in is the municipality. If the accident happens in a location where there's a dangerous roadway, or there's a defect, or even a prior accident and they failed to repair the guardrail, for example, and an accident happens at that same place, certainly either the city or the town or even the state can be brought in as a defendant as well if it can be demonstrated that they bear some responsibility for the accident.